Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to lock iPhone or iPad into a specific app. So guided access is a built-in feature on iPhone and iPad that lets you temporarily lock the device to one specific app. It's perfect if you're handing your device to a child, friend or a student and don't want them switching apps. So before you can lock your device to an app, you need to turn the feature on. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Guided Access. Now toggle guided access on and the switch will turn green. Now tap passcode settings and choose set guided access passcode. Enter a passcode you'll use to exit guided access later, and you can also enable Face ID or Touch ID for easier exit. Now launch the app you want to restrict the device for example YouTube, a game or a learning app. Now triple click the side button and triple click the home button and tap guided access from the accessibility shortcuts menu. Tap start in the top right corner and your device is now locked into that specific app. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.